What if your backyard could feed your family, heal the land, and thrive with zero waste? In this video, we're unlocking the powerful secrets of permaculture so you can design a homestead that works with nature, not against it. Ready to grow smarter, not harder? Let's dig in! Permaculture is a design philosophy that mimics the patterns and relationships found in nature. By observing natural ecosystems, we can create gardens that are self-sustaining and resilient. It's a holistic approach that considers the needs of all living things, from the tiniest microbes in the soil to the tallest trees. We want to harvest fresh fruits and vegetables, knowing that our garden is thriving without harmful chemicals. This amazing concept began in the 1970s thanks to two brilliant Australians, Bill Mollison and David Holmgren. They laid the foundation for a worldwide movement. They envisioned a way of life where humans and nature thrive together. Their principles guide us to create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also productive and sustainable. And guess what? Their vision can become your reality. With a bit of planning and effort, you can transform your space into a permaculture paradise. Permaculture is more than just a gardening method. It's a way of life. It's about living in harmony with the earth and creating a legacy of abundance for future generations. It's about creating a self-sufficient and resilient homestead that benefits both you and the environment. It's absolutely possible to grow your own food, conserve resources, and support local wildlife. Join us on this journey to discover more about the main principles and the endless possibilities of permaculture. Now, you might be thinking, permaculture sounds a lot like gardening, and you wouldn't be wrong. But permaculture takes things a step further. Traditional gardening often focuses on individual plants and short-term yields. Permaculture, on the other hand, is all about the big picture. It's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where every element works in harmony. Imagine a garden where each plant serves a purpose. Flowers attract pollinators, herbs deter pests, and ground cover prevents weeds. It's a beautiful dance of interdependence, just like nature intended. Permaculture isn't just about plants either. It considers everything from water management and soil health to energy efficiency and waste reduction. It's about creating a closed-loop system where resources are used wisely and nothing goes to waste. So, how do we bring this permaculture dream to life? It all starts with a good plan. And in the world of permaculture, we think in zones. Imagine your homestead as a series of concentric circles, each with its own purpose. Zone 0 is your home, the heart of your homestead. Zone 1 is for frequently used elements like herb gardens and salad greens. Zone 2 might be filled with fruit trees and berry bushes, while Zone 3 is for larger crops and livestock. Zone 4 is dedicated to semi-wild areas for foraging, and Zone 5 is left untouched for nature to thrive. This zoning system is all about efficiency and reducing your workload. By placing elements strategically, you can minimize travel time, maximize productivity, and create a truly harmonious homestead. Before we start planting, we need to listen to the land. This means taking the time to observe and understand the natural rhythms and characteristics of the environment around us. Just like every home has its quirks, every piece of land has its own unique personality. From the rolling hills to the flat plains, each terrain tells a story. Start by getting to know your soil. Feel its texture, smell its richness, and observe its color. These small details can reveal a lot about its composition and health. Is it sandy, clay-like, or loamy? Each type has its own set of characteristics and will affect how plants grow. Conduct a simple soil test to determine its pH level and nutrient content. This will give you a clearer picture of what amendments might be needed. This information will guide your plant choices and strategies. Knowing your soil's strengths and weaknesses is the first step to a successful garden. Next, observe the water flow. Water is a crucial element for any garden, and understanding its movement can prevent many common issues. Where does water collect after a rain? Identifying these spots can help you manage excess water and prevent root rot. Are there any areas prone to erosion? Erosion can strip away valuable topsoil and nutrients, so it's important to address these areas early. Understanding your land's water patterns will help you design swales, ponds, or rain gardens to effectively manage water resources. Finally, consider your climate. What's your average rainfall? How does it change with the seasons? What are the temperature extremes? Knowing the highs and lows will help you prepare for the challenges each season brings. This information will help you choose plants that are well suited for your region and ensure a thriving ecosystem. By understanding soil, water, and climate, you can create a garden that works in harmony with nature. In this section, we'll explore the essential practices that can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving permaculture system. It's not just dirt, it's a living, breathing entity that supports plant life. Good soil is teeming with organisms, earthworms, beneficial microbes, and organic matter, all working together to nourish your plants. These organisms break down organic material, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. One of the best ways to build healthy soil is through composting. It's like magic. Composting recycles kitchen scraps and yard waste into a rich, dark, crumbly substance that enriches the soil. Take your kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials, and let nature transform them into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. This process not only reduces waste, but also creates a valuable resource for your garden. Mulching is another fantastic technique. By covering the soil with organic matter, you create a protective layer that benefits the garden in multiple ways. Straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and provide a slow release of nutrients. This layer also helps regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And let's not forget about cover crops. These plants are grown not for harvest, but to benefit the soil. These hardworking plants, like clover, buckwheat, and rye, protect and improve the soil during the off-season. They act as a living mulch, covering the soil and preventing erosion. They even fix nitrogen from the air, making it available for other plants. This natural process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, promoting a more sustainable gardening practice. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Planting. In permaculture, we embrace diversity. Instead of planting rows and rows of the same crop, we create polycultures, diverse plantings that mimic the intricate patterns found in nature. Companion planting takes this concept a step further. It's all about choosing plants that benefit each other. For example, planting basil near tomatoes deters pests and improves flavor. Marigolds repel nematodes and attract beneficial insects. And we can take companion planting to the next level with plant guilds. These are groups of plants that work together synergistically, providing mutual benefits like pest control, nutrient cycling, and even physical support. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Pests. In permaculture, we don't view pests as enemies to be eradicated. Instead, we see them as indicators of an imbalance in the ecosystem. Rather than reaching for harmful chemicals, we use natural methods to keep pests in check. This includes attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, who are natural predators of many garden pests. We can also use physical barriers like netting or row covers to protect vulnerable plants. And don't underestimate the power of strong, healthy plants. Well-nourished plants are more resilient and better equipped to withstand pest attacks. Livestock can play a valuable role in a permaculture system, but it's all about balance and integration. Instead of confining our homestead animals to small spaces, we use rotational grazing methods. This involves moving animals between different paddocks, allowing them to graze naturally while preventing overgrazing and promoting healthy pasture growth. Their manure fertilizes the soil, and their presence can help control weeds and pests. Think beyond traditional livestock like cows and sheep. Chickens, ducks, rabbits, and bees can all contribute to a thriving permaculture homestead. Or how about some adorable alpacas and llamas? They are incredible homestead helpers and defenders. As the seasons change, so do the rhythms of our permaculture homestead. Harvest time is a celebration of abundance, a time to enjoy the fruits of our labor and preserve the bounty for the months ahead. Learn the art of food preservation, canning, drying, freezing, and fermenting. Other age-old techniques like root cellaring allow us to enjoy the flavors of summer even in the depths of winter. But the rewards of permaculture extend far beyond the dinner table. It's about reconnecting with nature, building resilience, and creating a sustainable future for generations to come. So let's create a homestead that's not only beautiful, but also productive, resilient, and filled with the joys of a truly sustainable lifestyle. Did you find this video helpful? Please consider liking and sharing with friends and family. And definitely don't forget to subscribe so we can stay connected here at Organic Homesteaders.